How to set up two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator on Binance. Let's just get right in. First thing you have to do is open up your Binance application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you can tap on the top left corner and then you will be taken to your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, you are just going to have to tap on your profile name. So just go ahead and tap on the profile name that you see at the top. Now once you tap on your profile name, you'll be taken to this page, your account center. Head over to security, and once you get to the security part, you'll have the two-factor authentication option. Just tap on the Authenticator app. You could use any authenticator, including Google Authenticator, so just tap on the enable option. Now you're going to have to verify with your passkey first if you've set it up, your biometrics. And then from here you will get this 16-digit code or this copy option. You can just copy this and then open up your Google Authenticator app. You're probably going to see a black screen here. So what you can do is tap on this plus icon and then enter a setup key. Now on this you can enter your code name and then your key name it Binance, and then tap on this add option and you should be good to go. That is it for this video, guys. You could just verify the code on the Binance afterwards and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.